I really love working in services.
I just love ABB.
ABB Electrification Service Division.
We're a team of 10 or 15, so there's not only one person who is the hero in this group.
All of our team are ABB heroes. We go every day to do our best for the company and for the customer.
My name is Michell Hildebrandt. I'm Zurich technician in Switzerland for almost 3 years now.
My name is Wolfgang Haas. I'm service technician on ABB middle voltage and I work around 15 years now on ABB.
A lot of customers have circuit breakers from maybe 1980, and for sure we can do maintenance every 5 years or every 10 years. But the worst case could be that you have no more electricity. I think retrofits is a good option for customers who cannot power off for so long. I did a few projects of these. At the end, the customers were all happy. But especially for me, I want to give the customer the best option for his facility.
After 15 years, I have many pictures of many problems. And most of the time I can show the customer, look, if you don't do now something, your energy block will crash like this one or like this one. So that they trust me.
The culture of ABB is very important. There is a good dynamic in the team.
I have every day new experience. I have every day new problems. I have every day new customer. I love my work because my work fills me out completely.